loves, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to cross off one of the items in my wish list items for 2022. And if you're interested to know which item it is, just stay tuned. Hey loves, so welcome back. Before I will show you the item that I am crossing off my wishlist item for 2022, I would like to thank you guys for all of my returning subscribers, for always tuning in my video and for always watching and being present. And for those of you who are new here, hi, my name is Roma and welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you can get notified every time I upload a video. And in my channel, I actually do some unboxing, some review, first impressions, daily chats, or like this video, crossing off one of the items in my wishlist item. So let's get on to the unboxing. Okay, before going to the unboxing, I would like just to, let you know that I am digging my hair today. Oh my gosh. I actually using some products. I don't know if you're interested, but just to let you know, I actually have been using the Olaplex products for my hair, most specifically the number 3, the number 6, number 7, and in combination with the number 6 Olaplex, I also use the Moroccan oil. And actually, it's thanks to one of my close friends who also got a YouTube channel. I am going to put her channel link in the description down below, so check her out because she really gives a lot of good in-depth reviews, well, not on luxury but on makeup. So if any of you out there who are interested in makeup, you can check out her channel. But just to let you know, her channel is in French, so for French speakers there, you will be very happy to watch her channel, and for non-French speakers, it's the time to learn the language by watching her videos. So I'm going to put her channel link in the description down below, and it's really thanks to her that I am digging my hair, because she was the one who mentioned the Olaplex products, as well as she lent me her Moroccan oil, and the Moroccan oil gives my hair all the bounciness, the shine, and oh my god. Okay, now let's head on to the unboxing. Okay, so like I have mentioned, this item is one of the items that I have mentioned on my wish list 2022, where I did a video concerning that list, that I'm going to put the card just right there so you can check it out, and also in the link in the description down below. So check it out first so you have an idea of the different items that I would like to acquire, at least to cross off if I can this year. So without further ado, let's head on the wishlist item. Okay, so now this is really the crossing of this item, and the item is from the house brand HERMÈS. So this is the first item that I am gonna be crossing off my wish list. Can you guess which item it is with this size of paper bag? Just pause the video, put your ideas in the comment section down below. It will be fun for me to see what do you think it is, and then press play. Okay, so the item came in this beautiful orange paper box, orange paper bag, ooh la la, And I am going to show you not a lot inside actually. So in here there's the receipt, and as usual the receipt is in this beautiful white envelope with the Hermès embossing there, and then the receipt is just right here, and the product itself is it came in this beautiful, how can I call this, gift box. So just going to show you how it looks like. So there's the Hermès there, and then that's the box. A very nice box though. Okay, so enough talking, we're going to unbox it. So I think with this size you already know what product item is I'm crossing off the list, huh? So open it, and dun, 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 dun. The orange box is there. The only thing, as you can see, there aren't any ribbon. So I'm quite sad about that. I would have liked them to, you know, with the gift box to put the ribbon. But well, anyways, I have a lot of ribbon anyways. So this is the box, and then I'm going to look what is inside. And there you have it. So there's this felt brown suede case, and then in here there's actually two notes, and the first note is le plaquet or rose. So I think now you already know what it is, and it's actually le bracelet click. And in this paper they actually mentioned what is in the rose gold plating, and I also think that it is mainly for, you know, the special attention or something like that. So that's what is mentioned in the in this box, well, in this paper. And then this one is le bracelet click, and this one thanking you for the purchase, and then how to open it and everything. I'm going to show you how to open and close it. So in here it mentioned, so the click bracelet, and then some history I think about it, and you know how to take care of it, and then how you can actually open and close, and then it has some pictures of how to open and how to close it. Okay, so without further ado, I am going to show you the bracelet itself. So as I mentioned, it came in this suede, I think it's brown suede case with a Hermès imprinted on it. And so when you open it, it opens like so, and you have this beautiful click H bracelet, and this one is the narrow bracelet in enamel white rose gold plated hardware. And as you can see, this is a white enamel, and the one that I choose is the size PM, and the PM has a wrist size of 16.8 centimeters, and the width is 12 centimeters. And this one is a fashion jewelry, and this is the only fashion jewelry that was on my wish list for 2022, because all the other jewelry are fine jewelry. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how you can open it. So like it has been mentioned, press both of this. I don't know if you can see, so I am pressing it just like that. So you see, once you press it, you turn the H, but only you just have to turn it like So voila. So it's not a full, it's just half or 1/4, and then the bracelet will open. And then just to show you how it looks like on my wrist, and then the same thing when you close it, you just have to push a little bit and then turn the H, and there you have it. That's how it goes on my wrist. So the 16.8, so the PM, there's only 2 sizes for the click H, which is the PM, which stands for Petit Modèle, and that is a 16.8 centimeters wrist size, and the GM, which is Grand Modèle, that is 18 centimeters. At first, when I've tried this, I was like hesitating because I think that it was quite big, but at the end of the day I was like, you know what, it's a nice size and it doesn't turn around, so it's a good size for me. It's a lot bigger than the one that I have tried at Cartier, which is the Love bracelet. In the size, I'm actually a size 16 for the Love bracelet, so this is a bit bigger than the Love bracelet, but I don't tend them. Once I'll be able to have and acquire the Love bracelet, I don't intend it to be in the same arm with the H, because I don't want them to, you know, scratch, because the SA in Hermès Brussels mentioned that you have to be careful with this bracelet. Specifically, of course, this is a fashion jewelry, so it means that you shouldn't wear this when you go and in the water. So no showering with this, no bath, no swimming pool, no beach or whatsoever, so be careful with that. No hammam, no sauna. So if ever you go to a wet place, whatever, take it off or else it will be damaged. And also he told me be careful with sand. So because I think with sand it could scratch, you know, the detailings of the golden hardware. And he also mentioned that if you put it beside another metal, it could scratch easily on the side. But of course, I know that since it is a bracelet and since I'm putting it actually on my right arm, because I'm a right-handed person, I know that it will scratch quite fast, especially here in the bottom, as you can see. When I'm going to put my arms on the table, whatever, it will scratch. But I think it's quite normal, especially if I intend to use it daily. And also, just for a quick story, at first I was eyeing the yellow gold with black enamel, and at the end I opted for the rose gold and white enamel, because the white enamel, I can wear it any time of the year. I can wear it during winter, spring, summer and fall. And also in summer, white really goes well, and even in the winter as well, because with the black one, I think in winter it can also suit my clothes, my outfit, but I think that the white one will brighten everything up in summer or even in the winter like now. So, and then the rose gold also, it's less harsh than the yellow gold. And anyways, like I've mentioned, I do not intend it to combine with my future stack, which is the Cartier in here, which will be all yellow gold. So, and I'm also happy that it's a rose gold because I have my Trinity ring where I have 3 different kinds of gold. So I think it will really suit my different outfits and the jewelries that I have. And lastly, I would like just to let you know that this one was actually Christmas present. So I know it has already been the list has been only been mentioned last week, beginning of 2022, but we acquired this bracelet. My hubby and I went to the boutique on the 31st of December 2021, and we went there and we bought this, hence the, you know, packaging, the Christmas packaging, I think. And we wanted to buy this because the SA told us He can put it on the side for 15 days, no problem, but he already told us that in January there will be a price increase, and he do not know if a price increase will occur on this item as well. But if we come back in January and if there's a price increase, well then in that case we have to pay the new price. And there has been a price increase indeed. Not that much, but still. So we actually, well, my hubby actually got this bracelet for 555 euros. So that was in the 31st of December 2021. And now in January 2022, the current price for this one, at least for the rose gold and white enamel, is 575 euros. So yeah, has been a 20 euro of price increase. So I'm quite happy to know that, yeah, we have managed to pay this for the previous price before the price increase. So yeah, so I'm quite happy. Wasn't expecting at all, because I was really thinking about what will I put on my wish list, that I will really just concentrate on purchasing those items for this year. And I came across this, wasn't really thinking about it, and I'm quite happy that I've added this to my wish list and I've been able to acquire this and cross this one off of my wish list items for 2022. So there you go, guys. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and for those of you who are, still debating if the Click H bracelet is for you and which color, I hope that this video has helped. If you have any questions or need some more pointers or whatsoever, don't hesitate to put your comments in the comment section down below, and I will try to answer them and give you more in-depth info if I can. In the future, during this year, I will do also an update review and wear and tear of the bracelet. So if you're interested about that, you can always say yes in the comment section down below, and I will put, anyways, you will see the link in the future videos also. And yeah, if you have liked this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, because it will really help my channel. And like I mentioned earlier in the video, for those of you who aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you can get notified every time I upload a brand new video. So until then, I hope to see you guys on the next video, and I hope you stay safe and take care. See ya. Bye.